Hi everyone, welcome back to How Logical. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to log in to Goodyear Credit Card account. If you'd like to manage your credit card, securely access your account information, review your account balances, make your payments, and much more, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet, and also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up your web browser in order to get started. In the search box at the top, type in Goodyear Credit Card Login and press enter. On the next page, where all of the search results are displayed, click on this first link that says Goodyear Credit Card Login or Apply. You'll be able to open up a new tab where you'll be able to see the sign-in area for your account. Type in your user ID in the first text field that you can see at the top. Now, if you'd like the system to remember your credential so that you won't have to type it again using the particular device, then make sure to check this box. But if you're using a public device or a shared computer, make sure this box is unchecked before you move on. Head over to the password field and type in the correct password for your account. In case you don't remember your user ID, you can click on this Retrieve User ID link and follow through. Similarly, if you've forgotten your password and don't know what to do next, click on the Reset Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you've not registered your card yet, you can click on this Register Your Card link and follow the instructions. After typing in your credentials and you're ready to log in, click on the Sign On button and you'll be logged into your Goodyear credit card account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.